Hey there YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today I've got a super handy tutorial for you. Have you ever come across an amazing video on Facebook and wished you could download it to watch offline? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm going to show you how to download videos from Facebook in just a few easy steps. So, grab your device and let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is to open a Facebook application. Now, find the video you want to download. It could be on your feed or a friend's timeline. Just make sure it's a video you have permission to download. Once you've found the video, click on it to play. Next, you're going to want to get the video's URL. To do that, simply click on these three dots and at this pop-up window choose Copy Link option. Now, let's head over to a trusty website called savefrom.net. It's a reliable online tool for downloading videos from various platforms, including Facebook. Once you're on savefrom.net, paste the video URL you copied from Facebook into the text box. Click the Download button and it will provide you with a list of available download options. You can choose the video quality you prefer. After selecting your desired quality, click Download. It might take a moment to process, but your video will start downloading. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a video from Facebook. You can find your downloaded video in your device's Downloads folder. It's as simple as that. Now you can enjoy your favorite Facebook videos even when you're offline. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.